Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm sorry it's been so long since I've put up a video for you guys. I thought I'd pop on this morning, do a quick page in this little journal with you. This little journal I have put together, let me just show you, for the course Let's Get Tipsy, which is by Kristi and Kristin. I'll pop their details and the details for the course down below. I've really enjoyed it. We've put together the journal and then different ways to sort of add tip-ins to the journal. So I've been busy making lots and lots of little tip-ins to go in, and I thought I'd add this little one in and I'd film it while I was doing so. So I just found this old photograph and I added this bit of collage, some words, and then I've decorated the back there as well. And I quite like it as being the front cover. So, but I want to do something with the page first here. So let's see what we can do. I'm going to grab this box, oops, of bits, lots and lots of bits, to find some interesting bits of collage that we can maybe add to the page. All sorts in here like that. So I'm just picking out bits that catch my eye out of here. What's that? Not sure. Okay. Let's move that away. So I've got a few bits. What do I want to do? I'm going to start adding some of this collage. I like the oranges there on this piece that go with the yellow page. So I actually don't want to hide the stitching, so I'm going to put that a little bit higher. I hope you guys are having a good October so far. It's been a really mild October. It's been actually very warm over here, and it's only just this last few days starting to feel a bit more like it should do for this time of year. So, which is I'm grateful for. I'm ready for autumn and getting my boots back out and my scarves and yeah, being a little bit more not wintry. But autumnal. So I'm quite grateful that it is starting to be that way. I like these dots, but I don't think I want all of them. So maybe a little arch of them, something like that. And then I'm going to get my gesso out and add some white space to this. Oops, just using my fingers. Oops, that's not stuck down properly yet. Oh well, let's get it there. A little bit more. Let's get some up the top there. Using the gesso to kind of blend in some of the collage bits and bobs. Okay, I'll give that a quick dry. I'll be back in a mo. Alright, that gesso's dry. I found this bit of sort of dyed vellum, I think it is. I'm going to add this bit on. Just at the bottom here. Grab grab a pencil. Do some little doodling marks. And some little dashes. Not really thinking too much, just playing with it, this one. Yeah. Okay, I like that. Let's find a word that goes well with this. Okay. I love it when it happens so quickly. I've lost it now. Oh, there we go. She thought fast. Love that. Let's pop that down. And I've got some coffee down the side, just to the side of me. So I'm gonna splash a bit of that on. Yep. And I've also got some pastels. Put a spot of bright pink in here and there just to match up with that bit of pink. Okay, let's dry that and then we'll attach the photograph. Okay, that's dry. I've pulled out a few little of these little fabric tabs that I'm going to stick here to the photograph. So a little bit of glue there and one there. I do recommend you checking out this little class. I've really enjoyed it. There's some really sweet little ideas in it. Oh yes, that goes to a pocket. So let me just empty the pocket so I can fold them over. So placing my photograph and turning it over and then just gluing the other side. Good. Oops. So then I've got my photograph. It says she began to long for something different. She thought fast. And then I might put some more words up the top in this bit here that I've already done. I'll be back. I'm going to search for the last few words to add to there. Right, so I found she could feel it. She thought fast. So we've got this little lovely tip in the old photograph and it flips up like that. So that is a great little start, I think, to this journal. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully see you again. I'll get my words out. Hopefully see you again very soon. Take care. Bye.